All right, I'm gonna be making a withdrawal on ArbVault now for the sake of those of you asking me how to withdraw. So it's very simple and easy, super simple. So once you have staked your Arbitrum, you will be earning reward daily in Arbitrum, not in dollars. Take note. So many other platforms, they'll be you invest in crypto and they'll be paying you in dollars, which doesn't really make sense. Okay, but with ArbVault, you invest in crypto and you earn in crypto. You stake in you stake Arbitrum and you earn Arbitrum daily. Okay, 1 to 1.5% daily, depending on the plan you decided to choose. So to withdraw, all you just have to do is to click on withdrawal. Okay, and this is the staking earnings, 1.78 Arbitrum, which is actually less than $1. So this simply means you can even withdraw 50 cents or less than 50 cents. You can withdraw your earnings daily. There's no minimum withdrawal of $5, $10. For as long as you have at least one Arbitrum, you can make a withdrawal. Okay, you can do what? You can make a withdrawal. This is another earnings. There's stake earnings, there's referral earnings, there's rebate earnings. Okay, there's also wage earnings, whereby you earn salary. Okay, so you don't have to recruit people before you earn. If you have your money, if you have $1,000, you can be making money. That's like at least $10 every day. Okay, with your $1,000 investment. So I'm going to click on Choose Wallet now. Scroll down and type 1.7 and click on Submit. Are you sure you want to withdraw? Okay. So it's very fast. So you can see in less than 10 seconds, the withdrawal is successful. So this is right here, received 1.7 app. So if I close this page now and go to my wallet, I'm going to see the 1.7. Okay, that's taking earnings. You can be withdrawing your staking earnings daily. You can see today. You can see 1.7 Arbitrum. No fee deducted. I withdrew 1.7 and that same 1.7 landed in my wallet. Okay, so you can be making $100 daily if you stake Arbitrum worth of $10,000. So whatever amount you want to be making all depends on you. So let me go back again and make another withdrawal from my referral earnings wallet. So I'm just doing this video for the sake of you guys asking how to withdraw. So you can see exactly how to withdraw. It's straightforward. So again, you click on withdrawal, then you click on choose wallet, scroll down, and you type the amount you want to withdraw. It must be in Arbitrum. So I have 29.1 ARB here. I'll just type 29 and click on submit. Okay. It's loading. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So like in 5 seconds, the withdrawal is successful. Dashboard. I'll go back to my wallet again. You can see received 29 ARB. super duper fast. It has been added to what I have here. Okay, so this is how you make a withdrawal. Simple and easy. That's just it, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video. So if you want to cash out, you can send your Arbitrum to Bybit or BitGet. You convert it to USDT and you sell your USDT through P2P to cash out in Naira. Okay, so or whatever currency you want, you can do that on Bybit or BitGet. So thank you very much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until next time, peace out.